Okay, good morning everyone, dear friends and colleagues. I'm Inchi from the International Office of Tsinghua University, Beijing. It's a great honor and pleasure to be here with you and to learn from each other through our collegial and candid discussion and exchange. My topic is developing double degree programs, a Tsinghua's perspective. My presentation will be 4 parts. Starting from the most updated facts of Tsinghua University. In the second part, I will give you a general landscape of the ongoing 11 double degree programs at Tsinghua based on the survey. In the third part, I would like to share with you some of our successful cases in terms of their distinctive features and benefits for our students and for our faculties and also for our university. And finally, I would like to address some reflections and future challenges. So first, I also like to talk a little about our university's mission. As one of the top leading universities in China, Tsinghua University just celebrated its centennial in 2011. And its mission is to serve for the social and economic development for China, to fulfill its responsibilities in addressing the global challenges, and also to assimilate cultural diversities while preserving essence of traditional Chinese cultural heritage. And in today's global context, our university's education guideline lies in 3 aspects. We want to nurture our students with 3 major abilities. The first is the solid foundation. It refers to the theoretical and general knowledge. The second is practical ability. It means the application of learning into practice. And the third is the original innovation, which means creativity highly valued. So currently we have 56 faculties and 16 departments, and a total number of 7,275 faculty and staff members, and also a total number of 34,336 students, full-time students. In the last 100 years, we have nurtured about 170,000 alumni worldwide. And in the fall semester of 2012, about 3,535 international students from 108 countries were studying at Tsinghua University, of which over 2,600 are degree-seeking students, which ranked first in mainland China universities. And also in last year, about over 4,080 Tsinghua students have gone abroad through a variety of study abroad programs, which also was a 20% increase against the previous year. And currently we also have many partnerships with universities and organizations all over the world. And we are also playing a very active role in 5 international networks of universities. So as to the major international ranking, I think different people have different point of view. But for Tsinghua University, we are very happy to see that some of our faculty, some of our disciplines have ranked top 50, even top 30, according to the Times Higher Education Quiz World University Ranking 2012. And also, I would like to highlight the IE Spectrum Patent Power List published last year in terms of university education and university. Tsinghua ranked 15th. It was the only university outside US which won the top 20 place. And okay. And then next, I will move to the second part of review of all our programs. So currently we have a total of 11 double degree programs with European partner institutions and Japanese partner institutions, and as well as in with U.S. partner institutions. I would also like to define the double degree program here to avoid some confusion. Usually it is a little bit confused with joint degree programs. So here I would like to define it. Usually the double degree programs refer to the programs jointly designed and delivered by two or more institutions located at different countries. This kind of program usually features integrate jointly designed curriculum and agree on credit transfer. And the difference between the double degree program and the joint degree program lies in upon the completion of the program. In the double degree program, the students will be awarded the degree separately from the participating institutions, while in the joint degree programs, upon completion of the program, the students will be awarded only single degree from jointly signed or issued from all participating institutions. So to be more specific, all our 11 programs belong to the double degree programs, but we still keep some name based on the bilateral university level agreement. So you can see we have 6 programs with European partner institutions. They are Tsinghua Polytechnico di Milan double degree program in interior design, and the Sino-French University 4+4 program, and the Sino-French International Advanced Master programs in environmental management and energy system management, and the Tsinghua INSEAD dual degree EMBA program, and the Tsinghua KU Leuven dual degree program in microelectronics, and also Tsinghua RWTH Aachen double degree programs. We have 3 programs with Japanese universities. They are Tsinghua Tokyo Institute of Technology joint program, and Tsinghua Tohoku University joint education program, and Tsinghua Chiba University joint education program. And we also have 2 programs with U.S. universities. They are Tsinghua UIUC 3+2 program and Tsinghua University of North Carolina Chip Here EMBA program. And next, about the academic level, the majority of those programs are at graduate level. And also, as to the number of students' participation, actually we have 3 programs with a number of participants over 30, and 5 programs with the number of students participating over around 10, and also 3 programs with the number of students participating over around 5. So you can see that on average, the double degree programs of Tsinghua University currently engage 20 or fewer students. As for the academic disciplines involved, about 54% of our program is focusing on in engineering, while business and management and fine and applied arts account for 15% respectively. I think the reason is mainly lies in 2 points. First, Tsinghua is pretty strong in engineering, and also the engineering of business and business management are still the most prevalent academic field which can attract more students to join. There are 2 patterns of student mobility in our programs. The first one is students form a program cohort or start in one location and then transfer together to other institutions. The percentage is about 45%. The second one is the students start at different locations and transfer to participating institutions. It's about 54%. And as to the student selection process, Actually, about 64% of program student selection process is done by each participating institution separately based on agreed criteria, while 27% of our program student selection process is done by each participating institution separately based on distinct criteria. And next, about the recruitment. Actually, not a lot of not a lot of our programs have their very clear recruitment strategy. But usually, when the program has a relatively high number of participants, so they will have very clear recruitment strategies. And also, as to the target participants, more than half of the program emphasized on recruiting local students. Still, there are some cases attracting both local and international students. And currently, the home pages, emails, traditional brochures, flyers are still very popular in the process of recruiting students. As for the credit transfer, all our programs currently are based on the double counting of credits. And with the joint effort of international office and also other academic office in our university have established institutional policy and regulations on the double counting of credits. And next, about the program's development. It is very interesting that the majority of programs were developed between 2001 and 2009. I think this is mainly because during that period, the fast spreading of the internationalization of higher education around the world, and very few programs were delivered before 2001. And also, I find that about 55% of our programs actually are joint efforts of both the university leadership and the faculty support. And about 36% of programs were delivered mainly relying on the faculty support. As to the motivating factors for our double degree programs, actually we get little bit different response from the department level and also from the university level. For the department and schools, they are the motivating factors mainly offering courses from partner institutions and strengthening research collaboration between professors. And from the university level, and most of the university administrators think for delivering double degree programs can raising the university's international visibility and broadening educational offerings and also increasing foreign students' enrollment. And next, I would like to share with you some of our successful cases. The first case is the Tsinghua IWTH Aachen double degree programs. It was initiated in 1999 with the support of the Federal Ministry of Education and Research of Germany and the Ministry of Education in China in the field of industrial engineering and automotive engineering. And this program features jointly and well-designed curriculum and customized class and teaching approach for both Tsinghua students and Aachen students. Up to now, about 220 students and 60 Aachen students have participated. And this program also has a very close connection with German industry. And upon graduation, the Tsinghua students are very well received with German industry. And also this program directly improved the English course at Tsinghua University in the field of automotive engineering and industrial engineering. The next case is the Sino-French University 4+4 program. Maybe some of you have heard this before. And just in last year, this program celebrated its 15-year anniversary. And this program was based on the collaboration among four top Chinese universities and 5 French institutions of the Central Graduate School. And up to now, about 495 Chinese students and 93 French students have participated. This program has a period of 6 years divided into 3 parts. And Tsinghua students will go to French institution in the 3rd year of their undergraduate year, and to receive a 2-year engineering education in the French institution, and then come back to Tsinghua to continue his postgraduate study. And the students will be conferred with the Masters of Science and the Bachelor of Science degree of Tsinghua University, and also with the engineering degree of the French institution. Okay, due to the time limit. And finally, I will also like to highlight one of our program with Tokyo Institute of Technology double degree program in the field of nanoscience, bioscience, and chemical engineering and humanities. This program, based on the research collaboration between professors in both institutions, and also strengthen the collaborative relations and academic exchange between the professors of 2 institutions. Okay, finally, I would like to share with you some reflections and looking into the future challenges. And I think the international office can really play an important role in initiating, delivering, and maintaining the double degree programs. For example, to providing proposals for the university administrator to set up institutional policy, to making efforts in getting financial resources, and also to provide counseling for professors and faculties. And currently, I think the funding, the adequate funding and the sustainability are still the top 2 challenges facing our programs. And also the rest are the curriculum design, recruiting students, academic regulation, etc. are also crucial for the future development of our programs. But despite of these difficulties, I still want to say in the future, it is highly likely to see a further rise in the double degree programs offered not only in China but also in other countries. I'm looking forward to working with you in the future. Thank you.